Good morning, students. In this part of electricity and circuit chapter, we will learn about electric switch plus a activity. So, let's start. Electric switch. This is a important part of electrical appliances. We know that if the circuit is complete or closed, the current flows through it and the bulb starts glowing. Okay, if the circuit is complete, means it is closed circuit, the bulb starts glowing. Okay, while if there is a break in the circuit, any type of break, any open space, the circuit is incomplete on the, or you can say it is open circuit, then the bulb will not glow. Therefore, the current does not flow through the circuit in an open circuit. The simple device which completes or breaks a circuit is known as switch. You just go and put on. Your fan starts moving. You go and put a light switch on. Your tube light or bulb starts glowing. And when you don't need, you just off the switch. So it is very important. It completes or breaks the circuit. जब आप स्विच को ऑफ करते हो, इट मीन्स आपने उसको ब्रेक कर दिया, सर्किट को ओपन कर दिया. We see switches at home to turn the light. Same what I am saying. Turn the lights and fans on or off. These switches use the same principle of making or breaking a circuit. But the design are complex. देखने में बहुत डिफरेंट लगता है. So आपको लगेगा कि यहाँ पर मैम क्या बता रही है, घर में तो बहुत डिज़ाइनर टाइप का है. As compared to the simple switches, we use the basic electric circuit, but system वही है. Let's do an activity to learn how to make a simple switch. Switch बनाना है घर में. We need what we need. Look at the picture. We need a battery cell, a torch bulb, a cardboard or thermocol, and 3 wires, and plus one safety pin. Safety pin here acts like a switch. 2 thumb pin, आपको उसमें थर्मोकोल में या फिर इफ़ कार्डबोर्ड तो आपको थंब पिन चाहिए. ओके, लेट्स सी. To make a switch, material, safety pin, 2 small drawing pin or thumb pin, a piece of thermocol and a small connecting wire, plus a bulb, torch bulb plus a electric cell. Procedure: insert one end of the safety pin into the drawing pin and on the thermocol. Safety pin को आप थर्मोकोल पे पिन से दबा देना है. Now fix the other drawing pin on the thermocol at a small distance from the first drawing pin, in such a way that the free end of the safety pin can touch it. इतने ही दूरी पे दूसरा थंब टैग लगाना है जिससे कि वो सेफ्टी पिन आपका उससे जब आप मूव करोगे तो वो टच कर जाएगा, जब हटाओगे तो दूर हो जाएगा, मतलब उसके रेंज के अंदर रखना है. ओके. Now connect one end of the bulb to first drawing pin. ऊपर देखो, safety pin's one end is attached to bulb with a wire. The other end of the bulb to the positive terminal of the cell. देखो, second end of the bulb is attached to a cell. Okay, as shown in the picture. Next page. Also connect the negative terminal of the cell to the other drawing pin. अब बैटरी का जो नेगेटिव एंड है नीचे वाला, दैट इज कनेक्टेड टू सेकेंड thermopin, you can say thumb pin or a pin, or only a pin you can say. तो इसका नेगेटिव एंड इज अटैच टू अदर पिन. ओके, what you observed, as long as the safety pin lies in the position as shown in the picture, in the figure, the bulb would not glow in this position. Bulb will not glow because circuit is not complete. There is a gap between second pin and safety pin. There is a gap, so bulb will not glow. And as soon as we just touch the safety pin's other end to the second pin, circuit is complete, and then bulb starts glowing. Second picture, bulb is glowing. Hope you are understanding. But as soon as you make the free end of the safety pin to touch the other drawing pin, the circuit becomes closed and current starts flowing through the circuit, which causes the bulb to glow. It means the conclusion is the safety pin completes the circuit when it touches both the drawing pin, and thus the safety pin acts as a electric switch. Now what is, do you know? If we connect the two terminal, अच्छा, if we connect the two terminal of a cell directly, अब अगर कुछ बच्चे अगर चाहें शरारत करना तो what will happen, they will connect both the positive and negative terminal of the cell with a single wire. Then what will happen, the cell gets damaged, means all the chemicals immediately used up, being used up rapidly, and the cell will be then dead. Hence, we should never connect the two terminal of cell directly by a wire. अगर आप उसको ना डायरेक्ट जोड़ दोगे ना तो कुछ ही मिनट में उस बैटरी का जितना भी केमिकल है दैट इज यूज्ड अप इन ए इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, एंड it when it finishes, the cell is dead. So don't do it. This is, I think, all for today. Yes. Okay. Any problem? This today we learnt about electric switch. The device which completes or breaks a circuit is called switch. Thank you so much.